Okay guys, so we are looking over here at $300 profit. Okay, so market is pushing to the upside. Okay, so we are in a conservative mode. We're just adding one contract to the position, okay, when condition is true. Okay, every time you see the imbalance, the stacked imbalances, and we're gonna add to the position. Okay, so not it's not gonna add 2 or 3 contracts, 4 contracts. I already told it. Okay, just add one micro, okay, on every position that you see. Okay, so if we're looking at $300 target, okay, we already have $70. We're looking at 300. Market is going higher, as you can see here. The ATM is scaling, is trailing. Okay, so that way you can use ATM or just close it. You can close it and it won't affect the strategy. Okay, so it will, when it hits $300, it will close the trade automatically. So I can move it here. Okay, so just to, because I'm on the PC, so I can manage the trade. So that way I can close the trade if I don't have a profit target, as you can see on the top. So the automation is checking, okay, an unrealized profit and loss. What does that mean? An unrealized profit and loss means that once it hits $300, $100, $50, or whatever you put inside the scaler, it will close the position and it will close all the open contracts. It will not ask you if I can close them or not. It will close them. It will not leave anything on the table. Okay, so that's how it works. Like I said before in my other videos, this program, it will not go, for example, if you have a protection from anti-martingale. What does that mean? Like here, so if we're going long, maybe we enter here long, and price reverse. If we have a signal down here, it will not enter any position. Okay, it will wait till market resumes and starts making money again, and it will continue adding. But you can disable that feature. Okay, so you can disable it and you can add to the position underwater. Okay, so there's people that is very conservative and some people that is, they don't want to be in that type of position. So okay, so as you can see, the trailing, this is from the chart trader trailing stop. You can build one, it's easy. Okay, almost there. We have 230, we're looking at 300. Okay, like I said, I am in the computer. I can, move the strategy. Okay, as you can see, we're having just 5 micros, which is half 1 mini lot. So we reduce risk. But if in a trending day, if you want to pass a combine very quickly, you can use a bigger size. Okay, so what does bigger size mean? You can do every add to the position 3 contracts, 3 micros, 3 or 5 or whatever you want to use, to pass it quickly. If you don't mind losing $20 from a combine. So it was expected, guys. You see the Bollinger Band. Okay, so as you can see here, Bollinger Bands over here, reverse, Bollinger Band, reverse. This is the beauty of micros, because you can, it's not like it's gonna break your bank. So you can hold to the positions a little bit longer, because this is trading. This is Trading is not easy. Nothing is easy. Whatever you do in life, everything is complicated, everything is difficult, everything has hassles, everything you need to be involved. We have a high volume node here, you can see it here. So price will try to tag it and go back up. Add it to the position again. These add to positions are automatic, guys. Okay, so when you see a stacked imbalance, it depends how many stacks you want. Okay, it's like a herd mentality. Okay, when X amount of things happen. Okay, so you follow the herd. We are in a herd, in a bulk of persons thinking the same thing. So don't feel bad if you lose, because you were right. The thing is that the market, is manipulated, and or just get your profit. Okay, so that's it. If you don't want to be suffering, holding this trade, you just close it. When you see it's approaching the Bollinger Band, just close it. You see, I told you, they see this high imbalance here, they just try to tag it, and sellers get absorbed. Then the price reverses and starts going in the right direction. Okay, you just need about 1 hour of your time. Okay, so just let the price pull back, get your clues on where the market is going. Okay, so if price is pushing higher, or you just need to get clues where the market is heading. Okay, wait for the pullback, and then you buy one contract and let the program do the trading for you. Okay, so because that's how it works. Okay, as you can see, 300, it closed 6 contracts. Okay, so it was $300, as you can see. So this is a demonstration, guys, for you that is possible. Okay, there's many ways that you can do trading. Okay, you can do scalping, you can do whatever you want. Okay, but if you are trying to make an income every day, okay, you look for something like, for example, something that can guide you, that will tell you if stocks are going up, ETFs are going up, everything. You can go at Finviz, you can find information. There's indicators for NinjaTrader. You can have stock data connection and have your own market analyzer. There's so many things. Like there's YouTube channels that stream live with tick strike and with a lot of things. Okay, so or just follow a streamer. There's many in YouTube that stream. Okay, you can follow direction, and just don't go big with minis. Okay, just go with micros. This is this trade was about 10 minutes. That's why I tell people that the window of trading is almost 5 to 8 minutes, sometimes 10. But the majority of time is just 3 candles. Okay, so you buy here 1, 2, 3 candles, 4 candles, and the price reversed. So you see 1, 2, 3 candles. Okay, so you see here 1, 2, 3. You will see here you sold. Maybe you see this imbalance short here. This is profit taken. You see the stacked imbalance, and you see lots of sellers. They're not gonna push higher. And then the price you sold here 1 contract, and you wait 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so as you can see here, look at this big short here is more than enough for you to get $200, 100, or you can get $100 each time. Okay, so you say, for example, I just wanna grab $100 right now, $100 later, and $100 at the close. Okay, so that way you need to be able to identify when to make a trade. Okay, so don't be like blinded of what you can do here. Times have changed, everything has changed, and you need to evolve with these types of trading, guys. Don't get married to one type of trading. There's many ways that you can do money here, because replacing your 9 to 5, or just getting the bills paid for your car, for new car, for your house, for your mortgage, for your kids' education, your medicine, your pills, if you're a high blood pressure person that needs pills. Okay, you can do this. You don't need to win 300. If you win 50, 80, $100 every day, okay, and you can do it. It's $100 a day is $2,000 a month, guys. It's good, very good money. But I will leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this program, you can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. Okay, thanks for watching.